We talk about so can you enable this sign or no, how you can do that on your Waze app. So you just follow this Waze and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here until you will find here notifications, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You're just scrolling down here until you will find here major traffic events, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean major traffic events notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like sorry, you go down, click on save. Then it's going to save with you here. That's mean automatically it's enabled with us now here. So thank you for watching.